Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new walk-in patient. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired time slot. Alternatively, click on the New Booking button. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Capture the debtor, as well as the patient's details in order to make a booking. For more information on how to make a booking for a new or existing patient, please refer to the Book New Patient or Book Existing Patient user manual links found in this video's description. Please note that if the debtor is also the patient, the user is able to click on the Duplicate Debtor button to copy all of the debtor's details into the Patient Details section. Click on the Type drop-down menu and select the walk-in option. The booking status will automatically be set as arrived since the patient is already present at the practice. Click on the Close button if the user would like to exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving any changes. An attention pop-up will open advising the user that unsaved changes will be lost. Click on the Cancel button if the user does not want to lose unsaved changes. Click on the OK button if the user would like to discard all changes and return to the diary screen. If the user would like to proceed with the booking, click on the Save button once satisfied with the information on the Add Edit Booking screen.